Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about HTML lists. So we have our index.html page. So we'll just set it up, get shift 1 and then So then we'll give the title as lists. So I have live server running lists. So there's a type of lists known as ordered lists. So for that it's going to give numbers. So let's say go for a jog. So see, it's gonna come like this: number 1, chop potatoes into quarters. So see, 1 and 2 it's gonna give. Then there's another type, ul, unordered lists. So like it's not gonna give it any numbers, it's just gonna give a bullet dot. So let's say buy groceries. So then cook food. So see, it's gonna give the bullet points, not any numbers like that. Then there's another type of lists known as definition lists. So the tag is DL. So then DT, the definition term. So sashimi. So then the DD, this is used to contain the definition. Sometimes you might see a list where there are two terms used for the same definition or two different definitions for the same term. So sliced raw fish that is served with condiments such as shredded daikon radish or ginger root, wasabi and soy sauce. So see, it's gonna give like this. Then let's just give another. Let's say hi. This is a greeting, just a simple one. So it's gonna, first it's gonna give the definition term, then in the next line after a tab it's gonna give the definition. Same when we give the next term, it's again just gonna untab it like that. So then there are nested lists. In a list you can have other lists. So let's say you have a ul, then li, you can tell Moses, then more pastries, then we'll give another ul, li, croissant, another li, mille hyphen filet. So it's gonna change the color of the dot. Then we'll just, for showing you, we'll just create another tasty snacks. So then if we go 3 into, see, it's just gonna add that, it's gonna change the bullet point to a square. We'll just copy this whole thing and just change the ul to ol. So here also it's just gonna stay the same, but for ol the numbers, nothing is gonna change, just tabbing is gonna come. yeah, so like this is it for the lists. You can create many web pages with lists to show what you created, like that in a blog, for example. Yeah, so this is it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will try my best to answer them. And please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.